everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have two more destashes for you today, and actually three, but one of them I'm not going to show because it's already taped up and ready to go. I've already mailed out all my destashes from last week, and so right now what I did, and I'm going to go through and mark them off or either take the videos down of the ones that what I did was combined some of the ones that I had and added more to it. So I have a paper pad and washi destash. This is going in a medium flat rate box because I kind of screwed myself on some of them because the postal person that helped me the other day didn't tell me about some prices, like, you know, it depends on where it goes, and they didn't add it up right. Anyway, I wound up having to put things in different boxes and stuff. It cost me a little bit more money. So if it doesn't fit in a box or bag that I have already, I won't be showing it. So I have some pads from Dollar Tree and from Michael's and from scrapbook.com. So I have this one right here. This is like little jean paper. And then I have this Halloween paper pad, and it's like laser cuts. All different kinds of laser cuts. These are brand new. I have this one that's like sparkly paper. And this one. And then this one is actually from Target, I think. 6x6 fall paper. And it looks like this. And then I have some new paper pads like from the Dollar Tree. I have this one right here. Oh, sorry for the glare. And then this one's WCWV, and it is also like laser cuts. It's called Paper Lace. There's 20 sheets. Has different kind of flowers and florals and things like that, doilies. Then I have this one. It's called Dream Catchers. This is from Michael's. It's Craftsmith. It's different papers that you color yourself. So it has all kinds of things in here that you color yourself. Then I have this paper pad. It's an 8x8. And it's called, it's just called Me and My Big Idea Sport Pad. So it's sport themed. I think this is kind of what it looks like on the back. It's never been opened, so I don't want to open it. Then I have some Tattered Angels, like ephemera packs that you color. So I have this one. This is what it looks like. Oops, so sorry for the glare, y'all. And I have this one. It says you were born to do this, shine. This is what it looks like on the back. And then this one right here, it says Tangle Pack Journey. Oh, they do have things. This one is Imagine. And then this one is Happiness. And this one says Journey on it. And that's what it looks like on the back of that one. Then we have Graphic 45, Time to Celebrate, 6x6. I have some Craft Sensations linen cardstock pearl finish. And then I have a stack of 6x6. It's from a paper pad that was cut apart. And they're all different in here. They're not the same. Then I have Graphic 45 Artisan Style 6x6. I'm trying not to let the avalanche. And then I have another thick pack, great for whatever you want to do them with, but this is also a pack that's already been cut down. Then I have this solid flock pack. It picks up everything, but it's really pretty. It's flocked paper, like velvet almost. Then I have these two from the Dollar Tree used on plastic. And then I have another 6x6 of the Artisan Style, and another 6x6 of the Celebrated Sister. She's been helping me tackle.
I'm not part of the D-Stash.
She's not part of the D-Stash. She's been helping me. This is called the Basics Bright and Pastels. They're just bright pastel colors. And they're double-sided. They're patterns. And then I have the other Artisan Style pad as well. So then I'm just going to show you because I'm going to have to repack this box. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 25 packs of paper and about 60 things of washi tape in here. I have a couple of these tubes that I emptied because I didn't want to mail the tube. So this box is $14.35 to mail. And this is a medium flat rate box. So all this paper and everything is going inside of that. It does fit because we had it packed. And that's the paper and washi pack. It's $14.35. And make your best offer, but I will tell you, I will not take less than probably $20 for this box. That is the bottom price I would take for this. Because you know, you got 25 paper pads in there and over 60 rolls of washi. And so, yeah. So that is that. I would like more than that because y'all remember I'm trying to raise funds here. Okay, guys, so I'm back with, and that was lot number 11, and this is lot number 12. And I found more butterfly stuff, and this is my butterfly and fairy box. So, it comes with 3 fairy stamps. This one, and you can't see it, but it's a little fairy girl with her arms spread wide. Comes with 2 rolls of washi butterfly tape. Then I found some more of these little butterflies right here. This pack right here. And then this fairy pack with the fairy stickers. I'm also throwing in this little butterfly bag. Now this is kind of like also a multimedia bag. It comes with all these big puzzle pieces and stuff. It comes with these butterfly stickers. It comes with a roll of art tape. A little chalkboard and chalk, fairy kind of thing. And then it also comes with all these glitter glues. These are Crayola washable glitter glue. So, these did not come from the Dollar Tree. It also comes with some, I think this is with it or not. It also comes with this little paper doll, this little crossbody bag, and a little flamingo. I'm getting down to more butterfly stuff. I'm throwing in these 2 storage tins and these little magnetic clips. Here's some butterflies. Fairy door. This is a fairy door wind chime. There's another one of the little glitter glues. I'm putting in the marbling kit. It also comes with little friendship bracelets, a little butterfly, a wind chime, some more fairy doors. It comes with some wood block pieces, 3 bags of charms. These are like little crystals, like drop crystals, whole bag full of different colors. Some large gemstones. And I think I got these from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. Big ones. Some ladybugs. 2 signs that you can alter. One says believe and one says dream. It comes with these butterflies, this sticker, and this feather sticker. These butterflies.
Is this ready to be repacked?
Yes.
I repacked.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Origami paper. Another one with glitter glue. And one of these color books. It has a lot of butterflies and stuff and fairies. That's why I put it in there. So that is that box. And oh yes. I think is that it? Yeah. Okay. That is that box. And like I said, the shipping on this is $14.35. Anything within reason that you offer will be accepted. This box has a minimum on it of $15. You know, I obviously would like more than that, but that's the minimum on there. Alright, so that's your fairy and butterfly box. Now, I have one more box that's for destash. My sister-in-law she already taped it up because I already told her I wasn't taking everything out of the box. But it is a box of stickers. Suzanne. Suzanne? She's hard of hearing. Suzanne! Oh, there you are. I told everybody you're kind of hard of hearing a little bit. Tell them how many stickers are in that box.
Over 200 packets, which would equate to, I would say, over right at between 1,000 and 2,000 stickers, and that's conservative.
Okay. So I have that whole box of stickers. It is in a large flat rate box. So it is $19.95 to ship. And am I doing it right? She's been packing my boxes.
I'll do it.
Okay. So the sticker box, like she said, there's over 200 packs of stickers in there. So quite a lot of stickers. The oh wait a minute, these fairy stamps go in there too. Okay. It's in a large flat rate box, which is $19.95. So the minimum I will take on that box is $20 also. But for over 1,000 stickers, you guys, come on, help me out here. So that's lot 1 is the washi and paper pad. Lot 2 is the fairy butterfly box. And lot 3 is the sticker box. And by the way, they're not all Dollar Tree stickers. There's stickers from Michael's. There's stickers from Hobby Lobby. There's stickers from scrapbook.com. There's stickers from... There are stickers in there from a Dollar Tree, but there's also stickers in there from Tuesday Morning, from Target, from a couple other places online that I've received them too. Scrapbooking, when I used to do scrapbooking and stuff. So that is the 3 lots that I have for you today. And I probably won't be doing any more for a while. Thank goodness you said, I know, right? So, that is it. I do have one more thing for you. It's not a destash, though. Alright, guys, I got one more thing for you, and it's not a destash. This is something that I had offered last month for a special with doTERRA. It is an introductory kit. It's lavender, lemon, and peppermint, and I had 2 left over. Okay, so these retail for $26. You get 3 bottles of oil. These are the very nice blends to start with. I use them for allergy relief. Lavender is good for the skin. Peppermint is good for headaches, for sinuses, for upset stomachs. So lemon is a brightener. It lifts your mood and stuff. So all kinds of things, but taken together, they make a really good kit. Allergy relief. So I have 2 of these left. So they retail, like I said, for $26. I was selling them for $25, I think. And so I have 2 of them left. I really need to go ahead and sell them. So I will sell them for $20 each plus shipping. So if you want me to ship them in a priority box, it'll be a priority bag, it'll be $28 shipped. If you want me to try to ship it in a smaller envelope, it won't be, it'll be tracked because it's a package, but it won't have insurance on it from, like, Priority does. But I think I can probably ship this for about $5. It's only $3 difference. So it'll either be 25 shipped or 28 shipped if you want priority, or 25 shipped if you would like to have one of these just as send it out in regular mail. Okay, I'm done. All right, guys, see you later. Bye. Don't forget, PayPal only, friends and family. Thanks. Bye.